Hello there, Dee here from DD Creative. Thank you so much for joining me today. So have you ever gone onto your Pinterest home feed and seen a pin that seems totally unrelated to your usual interests and wondered why you were seeing it or how it got there? Basically, whenever you do a search on Pinterest for content, Pinterest will remember this and will start showing you suggestions around that topic. So for example, I'm interested in marketing, social media and so forth. But I recently did a search on essential oils recipes. Now, this is my current home feed. Scrolling down, you will now see there are some pins here in relation to essential oils recipes. So, Pinterest remembers this as one of my most recent searches and will start suggesting pins on that topic. But how do I remove these pins if I'm no longer interested in that topic? Okay, so let's have a look at this one here. You'll see this pin, and at the bottom you'll see the 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. Now you are given the option to hide the pin. Once you have clicked on the hide pin option, you then have a few other options to select. Not relevant to me, not in a language I understand, seen the pin too many times, blurry or other. I'm going to put not related to me. And if I see any others, I'm going to do the same. Let's see, I think there's one up the top. And here's another one. Starter Kit Roller Blends. Clicking on the 3 dots, hide pin, not relevant to me. Now if I was to refresh, I'm still seeing 1 or 2 pins, but basically this has cleaned up my home feed a little bit more and I'm no longer seeing as many pins in relation to that topic. So hopefully you found this helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you'd like any more information in regards to Pinterest, and please follow my channel. Thanks so much for joining me.